guys, welcome to my channel Beauty and Beyond. Today I'm going to be talking about a new launch from Plix, which is their Watermelon Tint Twist Color Adapting Sunscreen. Now from the name you can understand that it is a sunscreen which will change color when it comes in contact with your skin. This comes in this watermelon coated packaging which is kind of neon pink in color. They say this helps in hydrating your skin and also soothing your skin. This is suitable for all skin types and it comes with SPF 50 and PA++++. It's a broad spectrum sunscreen, which means it will protect you from UVA and UVB rays. There are two shades in this. The one that I got is called Golden Glow and in the bracket it is written light. So by that definition, I thought this is the lightest shade that they have and the other shade that they have will be darker than this one. Now this has pentavitine, allantoin and vitamin E. Pentavitine is a 100% plant-based ingredient that deeply hydrates your skin for up to 72 hours. Allantoin gently soothes the skin and calms irritation. Vitamin E helps in shielding your skin from sun damage and pollution. It has no parabens and it is dermatologically tested. The reason why I bought this is that firstly, this is a skin tint. This is the first time I am using a tint. I have not used any tint before this. And it has SPF 50 and PA++++, which is like the highest form of protection that you can get. Of course, there are other SPFs like I think 60, 80, higher than 50, but this is like the best in standard. Now, if I can get a sunscreen which can also work as a skin tint and I don't have to apply any BB cream or foundation, then that is a big yes for me because this is summers. We want to wear as little product as possible. This smells exactly like watermelon. Now when you pour this sunscreen out, it is completely white in color, but as you start blending it with your fingers, the skin tint comes up. It changes into this foundation kind of a color. Let me show you the application first and then I'll tell you what I think about this. This is still darker for me, but this is the lighter shade. You can see how glowy my skin looks, but this is definitely not my shade. Do you see the glow? It has a sheer coverage, but it's not bad because my dark spots are hidden. It is also very hydrating and I don't feel I have anything on my skin. It is very lightweight. Coming to the review of this, the first thing that I noticed is that this is not my shade. It has a little bit of orange in it and that looks dark on my skin tone. Even though I feel like this is the lightest shade that they have and even this shade is dark for me. So definitely if you have light or light to medium kind of skin tone with yellow undertones, then this is not for you. Second thing, you could see how glowy my skin looks. It is for all skin types. But as someone who has oily skin, I feel like this is too much shine for me, so I need to set it with a powder or a loose powder. It is very easy to blend with your fingers and you do not get any fingerprint left on your face. At first you might see that there are lines left from your fingers, but after it dries down, it completely blends in. Another thing that you need to remember is that this sets or dries out pretty quickly, so you have to work very fast with this. Once it sets, it's very hard to move the product. The third thing that I noticed is that even though it is a skin tint, it is not very sheer. The coverage is good. You can see that it has concealed my dark spots. The pimples are still visible, but the dark spot is gone. So the coverage is good for just applying and going out. It will give you an even toned finish. The fourth thing is that it is very lightweight. I wore it for quite some time and it did not even feel that I have anything on. It is so lightweight. Therefore, it will be very comfortable to use in the summers. I just need to see whether this is transfer proof or not. When you just press it like this, it doesn't transfer much, but if you are rubbing it, then it will transfer like this. So as a sunscreen, as a skin tint, it is great. I just wish they come up with more shades, because if they come up with my shade, I'm gonna keep buying this product. I really liked the coverage, the finish, the ease of applying this product. Everything was on point. I really hope they come up with more shades. That's it for today's video. Let me know what you thought about this product, and I'll see you next week with another video. Take care till then. Tata.